How to center anchor point in After Effects. In this video, let me show you how you can center anchor point in After Effects. First, let's open your Adobe After Effects. And as you can see, I already have my text over here, which is hello. If you want to add text, just hover to the top part of the screen and select this T icon or text tool. And there you can type in your desired text. Now, as you can see, the anchor point of my text is at the left corner of the text. If you resize this one, it will resize, but it's not aligned in the middle. To do that, just navigate to the top part of your screen, then go to this pan behind or anchor tool, hold Control and double click it, and there you can see that the anchor point is now in the middle of our text. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.